Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Twitch app not sending verification code. As you can see, this is the official app of Twitch, and make sure to download this app. And if you're having issues while sending the verification code, so here are a few things to try. The first thing is just check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure to you have a good internet connection, and if not, just change your internet or Wi-Fi or use data or something like that. And once you have a stable internet connection, then try again and hopefully it will be fixed. And if not, just simply go to the app store of your or Play Store of your mobile phone and search your Twitch. And once you search here, just make sure to update the app. If there is any update, make sure to update it and try it again, and hopefully your issue will be solved. And the third and the last thing that you can try is just simply delete or uninstall the this app and click on remove app and download the app and download it again from the app store. And once you download again, make sure to try again and hopefully your issue will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix Twitch app not sending verification code.